Hello, for today's video, I will be cooking the Binagoongang Pakbet na gulay. And this is the ingredients for them. First up, I will be slicing the onions, garlic, and the gingers. And then the next step is I will be cutting and chopping the sitaw. And then after the sitaw, I will now be slicing the kalabasa. Next, I will be putting a few cooking oil. And then I put the sliced onions, garlic, and ginger after the cooking oil has been heated. Then after that, I also include the sliced meat and pork. After including the meat, I also mix it up all together. And then next, I will put 3 spoons of bagoong. This is how they look like after the bagoong has been mixed. Next, I also include the sliced sitaw and the okra. And then after putting all the ingredients all together, I mix it up. And then after 10 to 15 minutes, it's already cooked and it's ready to eat. And the person who's involved here is my mom, who took a video of me while I'm cooking.